After releasing the Hot 30i and Hot 30 Play in the Philippines, Infinix completes the roundup with the vanilla Hot 30. As the top-end variant, the Hot 30 aims to deliver decent gaming on a budget with its large display and RAM. It must be said that we do not have the official pricing as of recording this video, but the claim for the Infinix Hot 30 still stands as a budget-friendly gaming phone. When it comes to gaming, one of the first things that we usually look at the specs list is the processor. And the Infinix Hot 30 boasts a G88 chipset. The processor is admittedly a little bit dated because it's essentially a G85 with support for 90Hz displays. While it does well with lightweight titles such as Mobile Legends, Free Fire, and Asphalt 9, it does have its trouble handling more graphically intense games like Genshin Impact, even under low settings. Ultimately, this is still an affordable phone, so you'll need to temper down your expectations when it comes to gaming. Just like most Infinix phones, our biggest concern with the Hot 30 is the amount of bloatware that's included, with most of them being uninstallable. We just wish that Infinix starts to tone down on the bloatware of its XOS UI, or at the very least, make them uninstallable. When it comes to the display, which is admittedly another crucial feature when it comes to playing your favorite games, or when you're looking to have some downtime watching Netflix, YouTube, or Disney+, the Infinix Hot 30 boasts a 6.78-inch display. It sports a modern look with a punch hole right smack in the middle for that selfie camera module. The phone also has a full HD resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. These features make the overall gaming experience very enjoyable because of its vibrant and punchy colors. When it comes to the design, it's pretty clear that there is an intentionality with gamers in mind, as it is very thin and lightweight, and you can easily have a good grasp or grip as you play games such as Free Fire or Genshin Impact, or even Asphalt 9. The Infinix Hot 30 has a modern-looking design with its sonic white colorway with a few silver finishes at the back, and it's all the more cool to look at when light directly shines or reflects on this phone. It also has a fingerprint scanner right where the power button is, and admittedly, this is still a cool feature to have on a phone. Now for the battery, the Infinix Hot 30 has a familiar 5000 mAh cell, but it leads the charge when it comes to its 33-watt charging, which is a great upgrade over the usual 18 watts. So at this point, I've talked a lot about gaming, but admittedly, this phone still goes beyond just that. So now let's take a look at the cameras of this bad boy right here. It has a 50 megapixel main camera, a QVGA depth sensor, and an 8 megapixel selfie cam. It is also able to shoot video at up to 2K resolution, and it has an f1.6 aperture. The cameras actually perform really well in most lighting conditions given its price point. Admittedly, there's a little bit of oversaturation, especially when you look at photos such as this of the blue sky, as the details tend to be overpronounced and too saturated at times. But then again, this is still something that's pretty easy to overlook. Admittedly, there is a slight difficulty when it comes to shooting in low light conditions, as there is still a bit of noise that comes in from time to time, but this isn't necessarily a big deal breaker. Overall, this is a phone that we feel will get the job done, especially when it comes to daily tasks such as posting on social media, watching videos, and you can even throw in the occasional gaming from time to time. Now the question still remains, is this phone good to purchase? Well, honestly, we again still don't have the official pricing as of recording this video. But then again, if Infinix decides to keep the pricing for this phone relatively competitive, I would say around the 7 to 9,000 peso price range, then this would definitely be a phone worthwhile to get because of everything that it has, especially for gamers in mind. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly gaming device, and again, if Infinix does decide to have a pretty competitive price point for this particular phone, then this is the phone for you. That's pretty much it for this quick first impressions of the Infinix Hot 30. Once again, my name is Avram, and continue to follow us for more here at Unbox PH. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're up to date whenever we drop a video here on the channel. That's it. See you guys on the next one. Stay safe.